Good evening, guys. This is Elgin from the Philippines, and this day I will create a free-to-play deck for the nature. And last month I created this was my first video, universal burn deck. My concept was cards with the raw damage. I'll use cards with the raw damage. Uh, this was created when I was playing about a week, and then I was too stubborn to change that to get the all the cards that deal damage. And when when I when I did that, I saw the hole in the play, and it wasn't effective. Of course, I won some games, but for the long run, when you play people that know what they're doing, you the you were your your chance will diminish severely. So from now, we'll choose only the best 10 cards from that deal damage when played. So Athenian Archer is always good. Okay, or so we can choose among these two. I think cards that summon or split up is always better than cards with um, that sing more than single cards. But it is situational. It's upon your discretion if you want to use that. The Dwarf Atlant, it's good when you have the War God and Enrage play because of the health. But in gameplay, when using in other gods, this was minimal impact. This has minimal impact, and the one damage is like it tickles. It can kill. So it's only used for tanking. If you have backline creatures like the ballista or catapult or Coralis for the magic, this is always good. But if not, choose another raw damage creature like this one, the marine. You can use the veteran archer also, but I'll go for the stats like this 3-3 and this is 2-3. This is almost like the boar, the level 1 boar. But of course you deal damage, but as you can see, I value stats more than the damage. So the same for these two. Ogre Archer, uh, you can see it has more damage, raw damage, 3 damage than this. This only has 2, but the utility of the hidden, I value that more than the damage, as you can see. But it is situational, and of course it was your discretion to pick what you want. Escape Silverback, 1 damage, so but it's a beefy lineup. If you want the beefy lineup, Escape Silverback. But this 1 damage is random. Yeah, you can target that. So we'll skip that one. And this one, Aether Vanguard or Frost Giant. So as you can see, this has more damage, but I favor more the stats than the damage. So we get our 10 cards that deal damage. The concept of the Universal Burn deck that I created was just for the raw cards. At first, I used all the cards that has the raw damage, but the lineup was weak and it was focused only on the early game. When you hit 7 mana or 8, it's so much weak, and you always lose. But the Sanctum now doesn't have any late game. My focus on the last deck that uh, I chose is we get our late game in the Sanctum, but now the Sanctum, as you can see, has only 1, 2 mana, creatures 3 at most. So it's not you can go for the late game there. So you choose your cards wisely if you want to go for the late game. So we get our core cards now. That is useful for our universal burn deck. So Marsh Walker, always good. In nature, I'll always go for this one, Best Friends. But if you're playing for the forage type, do not go for creatures with split that has split ones, because if you kill and then there's more cards to forage if you kill these more creatures like these Best Friends. So Wicked Fae, do not choose this one. That's our tip. So this Untamed Growth is an OP card. Last patch it was 3 mana then replenish 4. Now it is only 1 mana and replenish 4 mana. So that was an OP card for me, but it will confuse all your creatures, including all the creatures with raw damage, because but I'll take that any time of the day, the confuse, if I can get that 3 more mana. So that's always good. Vanguard Axewoman, typical. So this is standard that you get the Vanguard Axewoman. Wild Hog also. So Canopy Barrage, yes, of course. Black Jaguar. Canopy Barrage for damage for the spell, and Black Jaguar 2 mana and has regen. Super great for creatures. So you can use Fey Flame Blade or Staff of Roots, but I favor Fey Flame Blade because of it has 4 usage rather than this one. But this is situational. If you go for the forage type build, I'll go for this Staff of Roots, because when you use forage, you typically get hit often. So you can use that one. Managmar Moonhound. This is a very good card, and it is a legendary, but you can use this one. We can go for that. Only one. When it attacks, it will replenish 3 mana gems, so it's always good. And then over these two, Overgrown Rhino or Nefarious, I think I'll go for this one, the Nefarious, because relic play is one of the meta now, and you can this one is always good for war and other gods too, but very good against war for that relic. And Blade Fly, always good, of course. Blade Fly, it's split into 3. Summon 2 Blade Flies, so for 4 mana you get like 6 stats, so that's always good. I'll go for the Fire Wine, only one. So Fire Wine, and then okay, we can go for another one. So what's gonna be? Let's go 1 1 1. Okay. I know that. So we get another one in here. We get the Green Giant or the Hunt. So for me, the Hunt is for late game, and if you're on the back foot, it's always good. And the Green Giant, as you can see, only 6 mana with the use. So I'll go for the Green Giant because we have so much creatures in our hand, and I think we're not going to be on the back foot. for the early game, and our goal is to win at least for 6 or 7 mana only. It was this deck was for a fast game. Was built for a fast game, so we go test this one. So let's go. So nature, we choose the God power animal band. Animal band always good for if you have more 1 and 2 mana creatures, because it will compensate on your board if you do not have any creatures. So it's always good when you have best friend card also. So let's go. Universal burn deck 2.0. So okay, deception. We may go for the leech life because deception always hides, but animal band, okay. Okay. So stuff. I'll go for the animal band. He can hide all he wants, but I'll go for the animal band. Okay. I'll go for the control. Okay, this is good. I'll go for the board control rather than the killing the hidden creatures. But it's the leech life is always good for the cat.
Good luck.
When you have the cat. So flip. This hand is very good. Twin strike. Standard play. Marshwalker. Okay. So doesn't have the cheat.
The calm before the storm.
Then Marshwalker will easily kill that failed assassin. Let's go. We can use the Fey Flame Blade, situational, but the optimal is Black Jaguar. So okay. Viking Outrider, okay. I can go for this one, but so I think I'll kill this one and go for this play.
My turn.
And, or okay. I can canopy this one. Let's go for this play. So we'll trade this one out. He won't show his face because the Marshwalker is waiting for him and gonna eat him. So maybe he's waiting for the for the buffs, for the knives, so he can take out our god, but situational. I want canopy barrage here. I just wait if this assassin will show his face. And let's save this one. If we can kill this one, so we can surely know that this canopy barrage will land on this one.
Awaken.
So that's the play. So we're gonna take the control of the board now. Of course,
I don't have enough mana.
we'll drop many creatures because we're going to watch out for the Rapture Dance, but it was 1, 2, 3 3 mana, 3 rounds before he can execute that play. So he doesn't have a cheat, guys. He doesn't have a cheat, so he can't hide this Gen X Blade Duel. Okay, that's good. I can kill this one with a big
My turn.
canopy that one. Okay, we have choices here. So I'll go for display. Then go for display. Then we can canopy that one. And of course, very good round. So I won't buy on the sanctum yet, because we want to know what he has.
You are
He will play
trying,
this.
right?
He will play what card this round. So we're gonna react on what he gonna put on the board. So let's wait. Our channel is all about free to play. So any player can use
Nothing I can't handle.
this deck.
Awaken.
If you want. This is a free to play. Weekend Trapper. I think I go for the Weekend Trapper. I can also put this one, but he can kill that. Okay, I can go for this. Let's see if this for. Oh man, come on, man. So now we have situation in our hands. I'll go for display, and let's go for this. Okay, I won't sacrifice the 2. This one is confused, and if he targets our Nefarious, he can go either way. He can go on my god or this one. Let's pray that he won't hit the target that he wants. Okay, the Mash Walker. Take one for the team. I can go for display, but this hurts a lot. 6 damage. But I think it was the optimal play if we go for that one. Then we get another card on the Sanctum, because I think we have 15. Oh, okay. But this has regen, so we're not worried about that one. Okay, we can play. Okay, let's go. And we can buy this again, archer. We eliminate this archer. Okay, let's go. This was play. So this round we'll go for the YOLO play, guys. We'll go for the YOLO play. We pray that he won't have
Be free.
a Rapture Dance, but if he had that card, maybe it's GG for us. So let's pray that he don't have that card. If he plays fast, then he has it. If not, okay, he's slowly thinking about the turn, so he don't have any Rapture Dance. That's the trick, guys. You know it when he slowly play that 6 mana play. Okay, he doesn't have the Rapture Dance, so we're all good here. I think we're in a good spot here to win this game. Okay, he doesn't have any creatures on the hand, so we go for this one, and he will create little minions, and we kill those guys. Of course. Then we can
The
go for
bigger they
this
are,
play.
the more they suffer.
This going smoothly as we planned. We won't go for the Sanctum play. We won't buy, and we will see what he goes for this round, and so we can react. Okay, the failed protector. Okay. This has an over overkill. What is overkill? Overkill is when a character
My turn.
attacks the creature. If this has 7 strength and this has 2 health, then the damage will spread. So we will use that overkill now. So as you can see, eliminate 2. Then we go for this way. Guys, my tip for you is go for the YOLO. If you lose, you lose. But if you win, don't play just to defend, just to play. Just go for the win. Go for the YOLO. That cost me more matches than usual. Playing conservative,
Hey, what's that
not
over
going for
there?
the YOLO plays, and that always bite me in the end. Okay, hunting trap. Oh. I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4,
Awkward.
5. No, we don't have any. We don't have little yet, so that hunting trap. Very good. Very good play on his behalf. First giant dead shot. 3. And we can sacrifice these 2. And 3. Okay. I think he's thinking about this one. But he doesn't have any cards and the sanctum play. Okay. So he's thinking about the sanctum play. Okay. But he doesn't have okay, he can get the archer. I think the archer will help him because we have many 1/1 creatures, but he doesn't go for the play. So this one, no brainer. And we sacrifice this one. And we get this one. And go for the bag, the last bag, last useful bag. Very good. Okay. So next round, I think we win. There's no other way rather than Rapture Dance will save him this round. So I think this was a mistake, going flip against the nature.
This is not the
Maybe
way.
maybe the cheat is a better one. Okay, Rapture Dance. Speaking of the devil. $32. Went for the Rune of Sight. You can go for the Battle Aurochs too. If you don't, okay. So let's see what's
Answer the
store
call.
for us. Oh, very good. So this is little. The Aurochs cost him the game. but we're on the lead. So there's no comeback from that, I think. Maybe there is. Who knows? So that's our first opponent. I won against I won 2 earlier, but my Bandicam only records for 10 minutes. And I didn't know that it was recorded only 10 minutes of my video. I won against a non free to play player on my first battle, but okay, I'm willing to do another another 3, so it cost me another 3 rounds to get this video, but it's all good also. So we test another one, we find another opponent. Okay, so we find another opponent as didn't notice that my I didn't turn on the sounds, or did I? Okay, check. So I'll be making videos for Gods Unchained for about a month now, but it's in solely for Filipinos only. So, but as far as I can see, the game is growing, and I think it's more okay for me to go for the English version of our videos. Teka, I can do Ditch Life also. Maybe I'll go for Ditch Life so I can kill the hidden creatures, and he uses cheat for his god power, so our cheat the Leech Life is very good.
The
I think
calm before
to
the
go for the
storm.
assassin build or hidden rush.
Watch your back.
So we counter it. We counter it by using Leech Life. And this is also good because we heal for 1. But it's random. Yeah. Okay. Like that one. So
Awaken.
it's this is the play, guys. If we don't use the Jaguar because this failed assassin will only kill it. So if we use the Athenian Archer, it won't do any good to any damage to this one. But I can use the best friends in this round, so we'll go for that one. I'm not going for the Leech Life because it's on the kill 1. So I'll go for the board control and go wide. Yeah. If this kills this and this kills another one, cheat or this, at least we go for, we have another creature and we're on okay. We went for that. What? Why not the boar, man? Why not the boar, man? I can go for this play. And he didn't kill the boar? Come on, man. Why not? Okay, let's hope that this hits. Ooh. Okay, we sacrifice this too, so we can take the board control and we'll go for the Jaguar. So this is long way for the dead shot. So as you 1, 2, 3, 4 rounds. Woo. But we had Ditch Life, so good. Okay, eliminate the battle trial. Okay, he will use cheat on the hawk. Standard play. Let's see what card we draw.
My turn.
Wild dog. Okay, so it's all good. I won't kill this one with this, maybe because this is one is confused. Maybe he will go for the Viking War Maiden. So let's never go for that play, man. It's very dangerous stuff. So we can use Sanctum, but we'll wait unless what move does he did this round. Okay, wait, let's wait. 5 mana creature. Okay, what's that? Oh, the archer. Okay, archer.
Answer the call.
Very good play. Do I use this or I go for the shark? Maybe I'll take this one. So I can kill this with the Winder Prowler. And no, I can leech life this, and then maybe this leech life, and then, or I can also use the Vanguard Axwoman, but we're saving our board, our cards for the next round. Now there's 2 rounds left, so the next round we can use these 2 cards and then leech life. He can't use cheat because okay. The play here is I'll use this one. Okay, the marine, then I'll sacrifice this. I think that's the way to play it. And Axwoman, okay, sacrifice this also. 1-1 for 1-1, so it's all good. So the next round we'll use this dead shot. Let's wait for his play. If he had the rapture dance and I'll use this dead shot, this will survive, so it's all good. Okay.
Answer the call.
Okay. I can go for this play in this life. Let's see if it hits. Okay. So, and I'll use this one. And I'll use this dead shot if this one comes up, Edible Shadow. Okay. We went down for another card. What's that? Skeleton Heavy. Okay. Go. So I think this one will come out this round. Oh, double shot for the win, man. But this bodyguards is no use for this one. Dead shot. Now we have the board control. We want go for the Sanctum play now and wait what card he will go for this round. For this round, and then we react on it because we have good cards also here, and this is 2 mana 4, so this is 2 mana also, so 6 mana is the way to play it. Okay, what is the card of our body denim here? Oh, it's an actual. We'll go for the YOLO play, guys. Cheat, and then what made this? And he could go for that play. Instead, he hides it, man. What kind of play is that? Oh, okay. Okay. I see. But he could eliminate this.
Awaken.
Okay. I'll go for the Canopy Barrage. I can do that. But I had to make sure that this one dies. Or I could go for this one, not this one. I think I go for this one. So to make sure that the Canopy Barrage hits. And then go for the Blade Fly play. The Blade Fly play.
For now, I must rest.
And then go for this one, so we can have the little on the next round.
Finally,
2/2
challenge.
plus 4 is 10, 13. Go for the little. Maybe he can kill this one with the cheat. So we have little also. 2/2. Okay. That's the play. So it's GG, guys.
My turn.
All I can say is go for the YOLO play, guys. Do not go for just do not play to survive, but play to win. That's the tip of Kuya Elgin. So this is the Universal Burn deck version 2 2.0, and I will create more Universal Burn deck because the first playlist that I went for is that use this Universal Burn deck for all the gods, so we will use that. I've done that in early I done that this early morning, so you can see I have Dragon Balls, 3 Dragon Balls each. I have done that. I've tested that Universal Burn deck for the other gods too, so to make sure that it's the one that the 2.0 burn deck is more good than the first one, because of my experience for the 50 days of playing the game. I changed my deck. We're not stubborn here. So yeah, that's our first god, the nature. So just you can subscribe to my channel and for more deck builds, and good luck, have fun. Thank you for watching, guys.